Welcome to this exceptional home, offering casual elegance in a tranquil setting surrounded by nature. It's ideally situated on a quiet cul-de-sac in an upscale neighborhood, just a quarter mile to Forest Park trails. Heading inside, you'll discover an elegant great room with soaring 20-foot ceilings, detailed built-ins, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The chef's dream kitchen features Viking stainless appliances, slab granite countertops, a slate tile backsplash, and custom cherry cabinets. From the butler's pantry, head to the formal dining room wrapped with wainscoting. Private decks look out to the beautiful green conservation area behind the home. On the upper level, you'll find one of two master suites, a quiet retreat with its own cozy fireplace. You can relax and recharge in the spa-inspired master bath. And all 5 bedrooms have walk-in closets. On the spacious lower level, you'll find an expansive media area, complete with a fireplace, built-ins, 10-foot ceilings, and a kitchen. Here you'll find a second private master suite. You have room for all of your vehicles and toys in the 5-car tandem garage. Connect with nature in the backyard with fruit trees, a waterfall with a pond, pergola, fireplace, paver patio, and irrigated raised beds. Living here, you'll also enjoy its convenient location, close to miles of trails, great schools, and with Backroads to downtown, Nike, and Intel. A masterfully crafted home in a highly sought-after location. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Laura Johansen with Premier Property Group at 503-780-0212.